Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is Java 2, Week 2, and this is my app. So this week, the primary thing we had to do was work with content providers, and that went relatively alright. So I'll kind of show you my app real quick. It still needs to be fixed on some things, but so if I do 85311, get weather, right? So you can see it changes as usual, right there. So this stuff right here is from last week, but this is what I've been working on this week, and I still need to make it where it displays the next four, but it's close, so that's good for me. The other thing that I did this week, and I still need to tweak it for the table for the list view as well. I made it where it'll actually work horizontally relatively well. Like I said, I still need to get the list working in there, but you can see that it displays everything else nice, and I want to have the list right here. So that's my app for this week, and my code. So here's my alternate XML file to do the landscape. In case you don't know, there's kind of a cool thing where if you make a layout dash -land folder in your res folder and put the same exact XML file in there as what you normally would be calling for your main page, and then tweak it to be how you want it to look horizontally, Android will automatically handle that for you in landscape mode. Moving on. So this is my content provider. It's nothing fancy. I'm trying to make it so that it'll work where it'll give me an option of either 5 or 7 days. And I know what I need to do that now. I just need to kind of tweak a few of my older stuff so that it won't break the entire app and it'll display everything correctly. Let's see. My thoughts on content providers. I'm not super familiar with them yet, but it seems pretty neat so far. If it, it's kind of like with the services, it seems to streamline some things. Advantages, disadvantages. I really don't know enough with them yet. I don't think to really make that call too much. Disadvantages is that sometimes you'll find something, and if you don't exactly know how to implement it, it won't work with the API you're trying to use it with. As Max said in his video, we were getting sent to Barbados. So, and that was because our API would basically read anything as word : / as go to this city, get its weather. And we were just implementing it wrong. And so it was reading that as go to content Barbados. But other than that, I don't really know the disadvantages. Advantages, like I said, I think it streamlines some processes and allows you to share content relatively easily. What would I have done differently? I don't know. I guess I would have, instead of trying to go with a hybrid approach, I would have tried to modify my old stuff earlier than what I am right now. That's the main thing, and list a few things that could use more clarification. This isn't completely relevant to the assignment this week, but I feel Hangouts should have more clarification, because I know there's a misunderstanding this week where a couple of us were waiting around to get into the Hangout, and the Hangout was set up, but none of us knew where to go, and so it wasted the instructor's time, it wasted our time, and in the end, nobody had the video for the Hangout. So I think maybe that could use more clarification. Maybe post the link to the Hangout ahead of time in the actual dashboard for the class would be helpful. Other than that, though, I can't think of what would exactly be better for this week. It felt a lot more organized than the previous week, I guess, or something like that. The videos made more sense. Well, that's all I've got for this week. I hope you guys had a good week. Mine went relatively well, I feel. And I hope your next week goes awesome. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Nathan. This is Java 2.